Morning, Chief here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets right now, beans about unchanged, whereas corn's up a penny and wheat's up about 3 to 4 cents. Some people think that the wheat market might be trying to bounce off an oversold situation. Also the fact that next week we could see record cold temperatures drop into the Midwest and Southern Plains. There was some reports out that could make some of the soft wheat in the Ohio River Valley suspect to some winter kill. So we'll have to kind of watch that pretty closely. On the demand side, things are pretty quiet. We're still waiting news about the U.S. trade deal. President of the United States is in Vietnam right now, so don't expect anything today, but we will be seeing Secretary of Agriculture and the U.S. Trade Representative on the Hill talking to Congress, and hopefully they'll give some insight as to where the deal is and possibly any time frame that they could give at this point on whether a deal can be signed. It seems like a lot of the machines that are the high percentage that trade the grains right now are maybe disappointed there's no headlines about this. Also maybe focusing on the fact that there's some potential drop in the global economy, and also the fact that in 2019 we might see higher crops. We've got a March 8th USDA report. It's not expected to be a big deal. March 29th could be a little bit bigger report with another estimate of U.S. acres and grain stocks. But in general, I think that the trade's looking for the corn carryout to remain at 17.35. You can see maybe a little bit increase in the 9.10 bean carryout due to lower exports, and a little bit of increase in the 10.10 wheat carryout also due to lower exports. Worldwide, not expected a lot of big changes in world carryouts, but we'll see if they drop the soybean crop in Brazil because of the dryness that happened early on. Brazil's getting normal rains right now, so they shouldn't really change the Brazil corn crop that much. In Argentina, production should be also unchanged from their previous estimate. So not a lot of data right now to push the markets up or down. Technically, the markets have pushed into a negative territory, especially the wheat, and we'll see if we can bounce after first notice day. Deliveries are expected to be heavy in oil, maybe corn, maybe beans, and oil, maybe light in wheat and soybean meal. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.